Today, we're cracking the code on WhatsApp's View Once feature for photos. Imagine sending pics that self-destruct after one peek. Let's unlock this secret power, shall we? Open WhatsApp and navigate to the chat you want to send a vanishing act photo to. Tap the paperclip icon and choose Camera to snap a new pic or Gallery to select an existing one. Look for the little one icon with a dotted line surrounding it. That's your magic button. Tap it like you mean it. Congrats! You've activated View Once mode. Add a caption if you want to spark some curiosity. Hit that send button like it owes you money. Your pic is officially out there on a self-destruct mission. Watch the chat with anticipation. Once your recipient opens the photo, you'll see an opened receipt. Poof! It's gone forever. Remember, View Once means just that. No forwarding, saving, or screenshotting allowed. Use this power wisely. Not every pic deserves a disappearing act. Have fun with it. Send a funny just woke up selfie or a surprise secret message. All right, folks, that's how you turn your everyday photos into fleeting masterpieces on WhatsApp. Now go forth and spread some temporary visual joy. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech adventures. Until next time, peace out.